I'm Tom Dyer. Today we're going to make the Purple Rain cocktail starting right now. The Purple Rain cocktail. Oh, it's purpley and it's not very rainy, but it is in a tall glass and we do need to chill that glass down. So I'm using these delightfully large clear ice cubes. Put that to one side and let that settle whilst we prepare the cocktail. Now I'm going to make the cocktail in this Boston glass so you can see all the delightful colours which are going to go inside. And we're going to kick off those colours with the clear white rum. And we're going to have 3/4 of a shot of white rum. And we're going to have 3/4 of a shot of vodka directly into our Boston glass. And then to finish off with the alcohol, we're going to have 3/4 of a shot of blue curacao. You can use any blue curacao you want, but try and get a good one and don't use a syrup. Use a liqueur. It's going to be better. Next up, we need some citrus. We're going to roll our lemon to reduce those juices in the lemon. And we're going to have an ounce or 1 shot of lemon juice. And that's a double squeeze through my delightfully orange Mexican elbow. And put that into the mixture as well. Then to sweeten it up and to make the other color, we've got grenadine. And you need about 1/2 shot of grenadine. Next, we need to give this a nice strong shake, so I'm using some more really awesome clear ice cubes. If you want some clear ice cubes for your bar, there's a link down in the description below of where you can buy that from my website. Okay, give that a nice good shake, and then strain that over our pre-chilled glass, and you can see the purpleness coming right now. And then finishing off with some lemonade, or 7-Up or Sprite, using this snazzy can trick. Garnish with an old school style wedge of lemon and a colourful straw to go with the drink. And Booyah Tribe inside the ride, that's the Purple Rain. Right, there we have it, the Purple Rain, Purple Rain, ooh. So, Purple Rain, a super easy cocktail to make, very old school drink. Actually, this was on the menu at the first bar I ever worked. And we made it slightly differently to the recipe that I've made for you today, but the recipe today I think is better. The one where we used to make it was basically a Long Island iced tea, but instead of Cointreau we used blue curacao, which works as well, but I like this one better. I think it's a little bit more tasty, a little more fresh, a little bit more delicious. And it's a super good drink. Quite citrusy, but sweet at the same time because you've got that grenadine in there. The blue curacao is a little bit sweet as well. So, you know, you can taste the citrus, but you do have this sort of sweetness to it as well. And I really enjoy it. I'm actually going to go and drink all of this one now because I think it's delicious. And it reminds me of when I started working behind the bar. But there we go, the Purple Rain cocktail. If you are new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a super awesome cocktail video just like this one. I do actually post 2 videos per week, so hopefully you can stick around and see the next video on Friday. Plus, I want to say a massive thank you to all these legends right here who are supporting me over on Patreon. If you want to get involved in that community, there's a link down in the description below. Go check it out. I hope to see you over there. There's a lot more content being posted onto that platform. Plus, you can have personal contact with myself through the messaging system. But there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. And until next time, I'll see you then. Purple rain, purple rain. I made too much.